This is a pocket diaper. You can use any insert that fits. This one is specifically for this Applecheeks size 1. You can either lay it in like this and put it on baby, or if you want to make use of the stay dry layer, you can put it in here. And then put it on baby like this. Take your baby. This one, size 1, is probably too big for this guy, but I'll show you anyway. And bring it together, either like this. You want to have the elastic in the underwear line where that would normally sit, so in the crease. You can do it like that when you with your hands like this, or you can just do one side at a time when you go like this. And then to fasten, always pull up a little bit and then over. Doesn't matter if it's symmetrical, you can have these at different, this one can be over here if it has chunkier legs, this one can be over here if the waist is wider. As long as you have a good fit and a seal around the legs and you don't get leaks, your fit is great. For example, this is a bit too tight if I put it all the way here, so just put it one closer, one looser. There we go. And just make sure nothing is sticking, is stuck in here, so that it'll wick moisture. It's nice. And checking that there's a nice seal around the legs, no gaps. Possibly a bit of a gap here, but he's very skinny. And this is a bit too big for him. I'm presuming it's a boy. And you can still fit 2 fingers in at the front.